Welcome, episode 48. This is just applying some concept of trigonometry in solving some word problem. So a protractor in the shape of a semicircle with a center O and a radius of 5 centimeters is held in a vertical plane with the one corner on the table, as we can see. So the straight edge makes an angle of 40 with the horizontal. I think this angle is bigger than 40. So to come down a bit. Then we are to calculate the height of O above the table. So the height from here to the table. Then the height of P above the table. So as I said, if this one move down a bit, the height from here to here will not fall exactly on this. So let's make a sketch of what we are having here as part of the question. So if I have the straight line, let's say I have this, okay, the center being here. So here, this is going to be the same as this. Remember, this is the radius from center to P. So radius 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Then we are looking for, okay, let me use this one. From here, we make an angle of 90. We are also looking for here. We will also make an angle of 90. Then if you look at the semicircle, we can make a straight line from here. We to make, if I indicate here A, B, C, okay, that's it. So the length AP, if I extend it to O, it becomes a right angle triangle, APO. Then since here is 45 and here is 5, the angle here is 90. It means the angle at the base will be 45 as the concept of what? Excuse me. As the concept of isosceles triangle. So what do we need? We have this place to be 40. Then this angle will be 45. All right. What do? We are looking for OC. If you look for OC, so I can say that from triangle AOC, which is a right angle triangle, I can see here to be opposite and hypotenuse. So I'll have my sine of the angle 40 degrees will be equals to the opposite side OC over hypotenuse OA. But I know what OA is because it's also 5. That also represents radius. So my sine 40 degree will be equals to OC over 5 centimeter. When we cross multiply, your OC as the length will be equals to 5 times the sine of what? 40 degree. Let's see what that will be on our calculator. So if we do that, we should be having 3.21. We are in meters, okay, centimeters. So the height, the first one, the height of O above the table is going to be 3.21 or 3 centimeters if we are approximating to a whole number. All right, what again do we need? We can also buy space here. We are going to pick triangle. So from the triangle APB, I am going to have the two angles there. The angle PAB is going to be, let's see, angle PAB will be 40 degrees plus what? 45 degrees, giving us 85 degrees. This angle here, if I pick, let me pick the triangle from there and see. This is going to be 85. P is there, A is here, B is here as right angle. So what again do we need? We are looking for this height. So okay, we can also find here, we need to find the length of this in order to find PB. So we have to pick the triangle APO and find that length and see. So we can say that from the triangle APO, the longest side is AP all square equals to OA, which is 5 centimeter, then OP, which is also 5 centimeter. So AP will be 25 plus what? 25 will be the root of what? 50, and that will be somewhere, if you find the root of this, okay, let's leave it like that since we are going to use it. Then from here, we now know what this value is. So I can say that from the triangle we have there as APB, the angle we are looking for this, we know here as the root of what? 50. So that will be opposite and hypotenuse. That will also be sine. The sine of the angle 85 degree equals to the opposite side over the hypotenuse 50. So x will be the root of 50 times sine 85 degree. Let's see the value of that on our calculator. And if you do that, you should be having 7.04. We are in centimeters, right? So centimeters. So the distance of P above the table will be 7.04 or 7 centimeters, and that of O above the table will be 3 centimeters or 3.21 centimeters. I guess you followed. If not, ask questions in the comment section as we learn together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.